Hello everyone, welcome back to Excel with Priyanka series 11. So in this series we will be covering l- like when we must use the round and when not to use round. So when we should use round, we are required to round while dealing with money. The reason being even a penny matters in case of money when we have a extraneous decimals like past the penny position, like in the penny position, if we have a multiple like extraneous decimals, then in that case we should use round function. We will use the formula result in a subsequent formula. So these are the three things where we must use round, where we often have to round our numbers. First, in case of a payroll, while dealing with the payroll, invoices, income taxes, these are the three things where we must use round. Here we will see some of the examples using round function. Before that, we will see when not to use round. When we are just looking at the number, then we can use number formatting. Just for looking the number, like we have to see the number and we are not using that for making a check or for any money purpose. So in that case, we can use number formatting. So here we will see our very first example of a payroll. Here we'll see the employee name, the gross pay, and the tax deduction. Tax rate given here is 0.0765. So we'll start with using our formula equal to sign this multiply this control. This will be, so we'll use, yes, lock the cell, control enter. We got our result, drag it down, and here alt equals control enter. This is the result which we have got, 163.89. So here, if we will, you remember, for opening number formatting, control plus 1, it's not opened. I think it's working. Need to wait till the time the dialog box is opened. So in the previous session we had seen the number formatting, like the number shown in the cell will actually may differ. The actual number will be shown in the formula bar. So while doing any of the function like addition, multiplication or subtraction, the result may vary because the number shown in the formula will be different and the original number will be different. So that was about the number formatting, and here we are seeing the round function. It's still the dialog box is not opened. I think the PC is little slow, but what to do? We need to wait for that. Yes, it's open now. Number. Mm, 2. Okay. Here as well will apply. number till 2 decimals only. So here we are seeing the result as 163.89, and we'll use the round function here to check if that is correct or not. Equal round number. What will be the number? This multiplied by the tax rate, F4 for locking the cell reference. This is the number. After that, comma, number digits, the number you want to round to decimals. Now control enter. Drag it all over. What happened? C16 to C17. Why here alt equal control enter. Here see, the after rounding the digits, the answer coming is 163.9, and this is just because of the round function. So rounding is like a universal thing which everybody, all of us knows, and we believe that concept, and for making any of the check, for writing the numbers, if we will use the round function and we will find the number as 163.9, then we believe on that. The reason being, we all know the round thing. And if we will, the difference is not great, but still, if it is a matter of a money, it matters a lot. Next examples we will be seeing is of the invoicing. Here the item has been mentioned, price has been mentioned for each one item, and the units we are buying. So for this, we'll start our formula with equal to sign multiplied by this, control enter. Drag it all over, subtotal, alt equal to control enter. This is the total. Then the tax we need to apply, equal to this multiplied by the tax rate, control enter. We have make it the 2-digit 1.45, alt equal, yes, these are the two cells we want to add it off, control enter. This, the result here we are getting is 16.29 by adding the total including the tax we need to pay. Here we will see the difference by applying the round function, equal to round number. What is the number? This multiplied by units, and the number of digits we want to round is 2, control enter. We will drag it again all over to get our result, alt equal to control enter. See, the difference is not that great, it's very minute difference, 14.84, 14.85. the tax rate will be equal to this multiplied by this, control enter, alt equal to, for adding we need to select the cell which we want to add, again control enter for getting our result. The difference is, you are seeing the difference is not that great. Control 1 will round it to the 2 digit. Okay, say 16.29, 16.30. So next example is of income tax. So this is the tax rate which we need to apply on the taxable amount this. So again we'll use our formula, starting with equal to sign this amount multiplied by this, which will remain constant for all the 4 cells. F4 for locking the cell reference. Now control enter. We'll drag it all over. Drag it all over. Total alt equal, control enter. This. Now for here we have used the round function. No, we'll see with the round function here. So equal to, for using any function we have to start with equal to sign. The number will be this multiplied by this, which will remain constant over all the next 4 cells. This will be our number, comma, the number of digits we want to round to, control enter. We'll drag it all over. Alt equal. See, almost same it is. The digit is almost same. Here also 847.60, 847.60. So we have to use the round function to make believe your customer or the user or your clients that yes, they can believe you, that yes, the check which has been given is of correct amount. And that is all for today's session. Thank you for watching. Excel with Priyanka will see in the next video. Thank you.